Hello students, I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty God. Today I am going to discuss things to be remembered and some textual exercises of lesson 5 Water Water Everywhere. In my previous videos I explained this lesson, so today I am going to discuss important points and textual exercises of this lesson. Water is very important for us. Plants and animals need water. 70% of our body weight is made up of water. Rainwater is pure. This is very important point, children. Rainwater is very pure. Rainwater is pure. How is rainwater? It is pure. Drinking water should be free from germs. This is also our next important point. Drinking water should be free from germs. Why? If we drink the water, then we will be safe. If it is not free from germs, then we'll suffer some sort of diseases. The water which contains germs and harmful salt is called contaminated water. The water which contains germs and harmful salt is called contaminated water. Water should be stored properly. How to store properly? Lid, with the help of lid. Or if it is matter of bottle, then with the help of cap, you can store the water safely and properly. Water should not be waste. Why? Because water is precious. Now come to textual exercises. Sea water contains A. Milk, B. Sugar, or C. Salt. And your answer is C. Salt. Second one, most rivers flow into dams. A. Dams, B. Wells, C. Oceans. And your answer is C. Oceans. Number 3, flood is caused by A. Dams, B. Heavy rain, C. Electricity. And your answer is B. Heavy rain. Flood is occurred by heavy rain. Now fourth, which is true or false. Water is going up and down all the time. It's true. Water cycle. With the help of water cycle, it's going up and down. What is water cycle means? What, children? Going up and down comes under water cycle. Water is going up and down all the time. It's nothing but water cycle. Number 2, most part of our body contains water. It's also true. Most part of our body contains water. Number 3, plants and birds don't need water. Is it true, children? No, it's false. All the living things are in need of water. Number 4, we can live 2 months without water. Not even 2 hours we can live without water. If it is matter of fasting and all, then we can. But as I mentioned you in my previous videos, how water is important for our body. So we can live 2 months without water is false. We cannot live. With this, we finished our true or false. Now your fifth bit, we have to save water because it is dirty. A. Dirty, B. Precious, C. Clean. So your answer is B. Precious. 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 This exercises has taken from page number 29. Write the same thing in your textbook. Jot down the same thing, same bits in your textbook, children. And your HW will be things to be remembered. Read this, by heart this, so that you can improve your reading too, children. If you keep on reading, then only you will improve your reading part. Have a nice day.